internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Zenpop box unboxing video for you. I haven't said those words string together in so long, so it's really nice to be able to sit down and say them again. I think this is May's Zenpop box video. Here's the QR code if you want to see what items are in this box. I'm still getting into the groove of filming these videos. It's probably going to take a while till I start to get a rhythm and feel comfortable again, but we'll push through. Let's just get right into it. This first one reminds me of like those tubes of wasabi. Like you can see, it kind of reminds me of that. Let's zoom you guys in just a little bit. But I think it's actually a highlighter from what I read online. So yeah, it kind of looks like a wasabi bottle, right? And then you open it. Oh, it's got plastic on it. Okay, there. And then you open it, it's a twist, and it's a green highlighter. How cool is that? It's a pretty solid tube, so it's not like you can squeeze it or anything. I need to find some paper I can actually draw on because I just realized I don't have any paper. In case you haven't seen my Inku unboxing video, which is the first video I uploaded after taking such a long hiatus, I'm in a completely different filming location, so I don't have all my stuff with me. And I used to have like lots of drawers and pens and like equipment around me that I could use. And now I feel really empty because I just have this like very minimal setup. So I don't really have the notepads that I had, but I just grabbed this piece of paper from one of my journals. I just ripped it out, and so luckily we can at least try and use it. Well, it's not really twist actually, I just was twisting it. You just pull it up. So let's see what it's like. Okay, it's a really dark green highlighter. So it's not like mint or anything. It's cool, I like the concept, but if you are like trying to save on space, which I'm trying to do now because I've had to downsize so much, this is probably a bit gimmicky. Next is this eraser, Evolution eraser. This is pretty cool. Let me open it up and show you what it's like. So it looks really odd, like oddly shaped, but if you look at it here, from this angle, it's like a monkey and then it evolves up into a human. So Evolution eraser, this is such a strange concept. Like, who would actually use this eraser? And I guess if you erase this way, you evolve over time, or you go this way, you devolve. I have no idea. Yeah, it's like an eclectic, strange concept. And then we have some, not washi tape, they're like little notes in the, like a roll of a washi tape. Let's open it up. So yeah, you can just take this part off and it becomes like a little note that you can draw on, just like here. It's kind of cool. Yeah, I guess you could say there's just like little note stickers. And then we have some flake stickers. Oh my gosh. No, they're not flake stickers. I'm jumping ahead of myself. They're little note mini cards. So you get two different types of designs for mini cards, and then you get envelopes. This makes me so hungry. Like, I miss the pancakes that you could get in Japan that were nice and fluffy. I want to learn how to make them myself. It's so cute. And then we have a notebook. What is this notebook? It's got like a sakura design in it. It's literally just a random notebook that you can carry around with you and fill out whenever you need. Probably wouldn't need to do that because mostly if I'm out and I need to take notes, I'll just put it on my phone. But I like the concept. It's really cute. Okay, now I think these are flake stickers. They look like little stickers of beverages and snacks. I guess grocery items that you would find in Japan. Okay, yeah, they're like supermarket stickers. So if I just, because of the way I'm filming, there's a lot of like glare that comes from the light. So if I just take it out, you can kind of see all the different types of stickers that are available. And if you hear any squeaking, it's because my cat is squeaking. She's just scratching the window. And then we have a post-it note. It's like a construction site post-it note. It's kind of cool. And we have some pencils. Oh, these are really slim pencils. I thought they might have been chopsticks at first, but no, they're just pencils that are really thin. I don't know how comfortable it would be to write with these sort of pencils because I'd be so used to having something with a thicker grip to it. And these are supposed to be representing like Pocky sticks as well. such a cool concept. It makes me want to go eat Pocky right now. So like the chocolate and then the biscuit bit, that's so cool. And then I think this is the last item. This is such a weird concept. I feel like this box is so strange this month. I don't know why. I know there's a theme to it, but basically these are just like little cardboard boxes that you could fold to create miniaturized cardboard boxes you would typically see at a Japanese supermarket. That's what it is. You know what? I really want to fold one up now. I love these sort of paper craft things. The only problem is they're completely like, I don't know, like they're completely functionally pointless because I would not use them for anything, but it's just cool to play around with it. So if I was to do this, I'm just trying to follow the instructions on the side. Fold this down, then I'll fold these ones, then this one, and I think this sort of tucks in. Yeah, so then you get the bottom of your box. Oh my god, it's got like the little handles as well. That is so cute. And then you can put little gifts in here. That's at least what the instructions are saying. You can put a little bit of money or gifts if you want to give it to someone. And then you fold it up. Oh my god, it literally looks like those boxes. And then there's like all these stickers that you can just tape them down if you wanted to. It's so cute. I mean, there's so many of these sort of like novelty items that you want to keep and just like, because they're so cute. But then if you do unboxing videos or if you like get the subscription boxes, you see a lot of them and then you end up having to declutter a lot. So that was something I had to do when I moved to this location, is just do a massive stationery declutter, because I had stored a lot of stuff and now I have much less stuff. Well, I think it's much less stuff. So yeah, that is everything in, I think it's the May box, but then when I look online on the website, oh no, it's May, all right. Uniquely Japan. So that's what this theme is, Uniquely Japan. They aren't wrong, it's very uniquely Japan. So that is everything in the May Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.